All right, let's got a little oil in here. We're gonna saute our onion. Yes. Okay. And our garlic. Together, yes. All right, this is how we want it. Take a look at that. Perfect. Now we're gonna add our chicken. All right, cook that. Fully cook this chicken. We're gonna season it with some black pepper. All right, that's what we want. All right, let's add the soy sauce. Yes. Want to fully cook this chicken now. Fully. All right. All right, look at this. This is perfect. Our chicken is fully cooked. Let's add our wonderful zucchini, green zucchini. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yes. Yes. And then we're going to add these beautiful cherry tomatoes. Yes. All right, let's sprinkle it with a little salt. Oh yes, hit it with some nice salt. And then we're going to cover it. Yes, just mix this up a little bit. Absolutely. Remember, salt to taste, guys. So we're going to taste this and see if it's where you want it to be at, okay? Now we're going to cover this for 3 to 5 minutes. All right, look at this, guys. This is, oh my goodness. This is just what we want. Wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's sprinkle it with some dry cilantro. Yes, yes, yes. Wonderful. Let's mix all that in. Oh, wow. And give it a nice taste. All right. That looks great. This is it, guys. Wonderful, ready to serve. Let's serve it up. For you guys first time, please like and subscribe for more delicious, quick videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.